Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will be studying the fourth lecture. This is the fourth lecture of the first unit. We will be studying the highway geometrics. Okay. So what is the highway geometrics? Okay, and how it is affected to the roads. Okay, and how important it is. Will be understanding today. Contents. So what is highway geometry design? Okay, the importance of the highway geometric design, objectives, why it is necessary to provide a highway geometrics for the roads. Okay, so before entering into the lecture, we will try to understand what is highway geometrics. The physical features of the roads are known as highway geometrics design. Okay, designing is a different part, but it is called as highway geometrics. So under this highway geometry, what are the things that are been included? So it is the dimensions of the highways. Okay, features such as alignment. Okay, so what is alignment? Alignment is nothing but the center line of the road through which the road is been passing. Wherever the road goes, the center line of that road is considered to be alignment. Okay, the side distances, slopes, width of the carriageway, right of way, right? All these things, the scientific terminologies which I have learned till now. Okay, we are going to learn it in further also. Some of the points some of the points you have to understand. Further, we'll be understanding it. So all these things comes under the highway geometrics. This is a very crucial and very important part of a subject, but you don't have the designs. You have just know what it is and how important they are. Okay. Next is the features of the roads are known as highway geometrics and properly designed. Right? The physical features of the roads are known as highway geometrics. Properly designed road geometrics provide optimum efficiency in the road traffics with maximum safety. So why it is provided? It is provided because to provide optimum efficiency in the traffic operations and with a maximum safety. It provides safety to you when you use traffic geometrics, right? When you provide traffic geometries or the highway geometrics, due to which you increase the efficiency of the roads and as well as you will provide safety for the users. Okay. The highway geometrics includes dimensions of the highway. Okay, whatever dimensions, it not is only about the road dimensions, also about the drainage dimensions, about the embankment, about the shoulders, the camber, transfer slopes. Okay, everything that is been are under the highway dimensions, such as features like alignment, gradient of the road, width of the curve, side distances, slopes, width of the carriageway, and right of way. Right? You might be you might be getting confused. What is grade? What is the width of the curve? What is right? What is the width, side distances? Okay, so that will be covering in the coming up classes. Okay. Next is the objectives of the good geometrics. So what are the things that are necessary for a good geometric design? When you will say that the geometrics of the road is good, provide adequate right of way. Means what? As we said, okay, what is right of way? It is an area acquired by the government or the private agencies who are going to construct the roads. It the whole width might not be used, some is used, and the other part remaining can be used for the upgradation or to expansion of the roads in the future cases, right? You have to provide adequate right of way. You should take a adequate right of way. Providing adequate side distance, providing adequate side distance along the road. So you have to provide adequate side distance. Okay. Next, to provide adequate width of formation. What is width of formation? I said the road width, which includes, it is a summation of carriageway as well as the shoulders on the both the sides, right? Next is providing super elevation on the sharp horizontal curves. It is what? Providing super elevation on the sharp horizontal curves. So what is super elevation? What is super elevation? Why it is provided on the horizontal curves? We will be studying it in the coming up classes. Okay. So now just understand what he is trying to say. To provide extra road width on the curves. Okay. He is saying you have to provide extra road width on the curves. Next is to provide sufficient camber on the straight portion of the road. Now what is camber? We will understand here. Okay. If this is your road, this is your embankment, okay, and this is your road. Can you see this slope? Okay, this in this direction it is lateral direction. It is called transverse slope, or it is called camber. The slope provided in the transverse direction of the road, right? That slope is called as camber. And why it is provided? See, we want the rain water which is falling on the road should not get accumulated on this surface. It should not stagnate here. It should not stand here. It should easily flow in this directions. It should not wait or stand and percolate inside the ground. So for that, it should allow to freely flow to the sides as soon as possible. So this slope is being provided. Okay, this is all about your road geometrics. Okay, thank you.